Protecting floors, countertops, and other surfaces on project sites is essential for many reasons, from maintaining your professional reputation to avoiding costly repairs. BreatheTect, Gutster's temporary protective covering, is a quick and easy way to make sure you can accomplish your mission without leaving behind any scratches, gouges, or other damage from dropped tools or the use of heavy equipment. The adhesive backing keeps BreatheTect securely in place, so you're free to work without worries about shifting or buckling. Our waterproof technology keeps spilled adhesives, grout, or other construction substances from contacting the floor or surface underneath. Yet vapor permeability allows moisture to escape at a much faster rate than other protective coverings. Reusable BreatheTect is a worry-free way to protect your client's wood, tile, carpet, vinyl, concrete, and natural stone.